Dimo. What do I think about Dimo? Well, I've had Demo, two Demos, demos. I've had these two Demo units in my vehicles for a couple of weeks now. I got the AutoPi. In fact, I'll take screenshots. I'm on a 10-week streak with my AutoPi, which is the big one that I put in my Kia, or the hamster mobile. And I'm on a 4-week streak on level 2 in my Canyon, which is the Macaron, the little $99 one. You got to drive your vehicle at least once a week. Doesn't say you have to drive far, you know, just take the kids to school, run to the gas station, go get gas, go to the supermarket, do whatever you do, and you're going to earn tokens. I'd like to say that this is probably the most passive form of income I've ever dealt with. Don't have to do anything. Like you just earn your tokens by keeping this device plugged into your car. That's about the most passive thing you can do. All you got to do is drive. Which turns out to be kind of difficult for me since I work from home. I don't really leave the house much, but I probably should. Either way, really come down on the quantity of Hive Mapper tokens I've got because I don't drive as much. You know, it's the winter time. I'm not out riding a motorcycle with the Hive Mapper on it. I'm definitely leaving the house a couple times a week to go to the store, go get pizza, whatever it might be. So what do I think about these? Well, like I said, it's probably the most passive form of earning crypto that I've ever dealt with. You know, crypto mining as far as like GPUs and ASICs and stuff, it takes a lot to set up. This took a little bit to set up as well. It was a little bit more difficult to set up the AutoPi than the Macaron. The Macaron went really smooth. I just followed the directions. It recognized the device and talked to my phone and set it up. We're good to go. The AutoPi wouldn't broadcast a Bluetooth signal at first. They pushed out, they could see the device because it's got a SIM card in it. They had to push out a firmware update or something server side. So eventually we got it all up and running. Everything was good. If you use a service through their marketplace, you can get paid out like a referral or a kickback in Demo rewards, which is kind of cool if you're looking for a service that's in their list of things on their marketplace. Like I mentioned, they have two devices. I have one of each. Also, if you are driving a Tesla or have a smart car, I don't want to say a smart car because smart cars, there's actually a smart car, but like right now I know it works with Tesla car app subscription. So I'm sure there's more than just Tesla that this works with. Clicking on the learn more, you can see in the app, they've got a picture of a Porsche here. Old Faithful's kind of funny. Look at that right there. They named the Porsche Old Faithful. That's funny to name a Porsche Old Faithful. All right, well, if your car has an app store, I guess this is one way to earn. If you know, or if you are using this outside of just a Tesla, leave a comment. Let me know what other vehicles this works in, or if you know what other vehicles, let me know. But let's go down to the comparison. We've got the Macaron, which was $100, and the AutoPi, which is $300. Now, as the time of recording, about the middle of January, these units are back ordered 8 to 10 weeks. Both the Macaron and the AutoPi. This one's back ordered 8 to 12 weeks. Connectivity using the app, which is going to use connectivity on your phone, which is probably LTE. The AutoPi also uses LTE. It actually has a SIM card on the PCB itself. Now the Macaron uses Helium IoT network with Bluetooth. That's a thing. That's interesting that that's a thing. GPS tracking only when driving, tracks constantly even when off. So there's a benefit there that it tracks when your vehicle's not on, if that's important to you. Weekly rewards. Here's an important part. The app, you get 1x rewards. The Macaron, you get 2x rewards. And the AutoPi, you get 6x rewards. What does that mean? It means you're going to get 3 times more Demo with the AutoPi than you do with the Macaron. But it also costs 3 times as much up front. Let's put a pin in that. Error code scanning, it won't do it in the app, it looks like, but it does do it on both the Macaron and the AutoPi. I've confirmed that. Battery level, monitors while driving, monitors only when car is parked, monitors while driving. So it'll tell you what your vehicle's battery stance is at. Demo Marketplace, they all have the marketplace. They all have vehicle valuations, accessory ports. This is interesting. So of course there's not going to be accessory ports on an app that runs on your car. Your car is the accessory. The Macaron has no accessible ports on the outside of it. It's a tiny little thing that just plugs into your OBD port. This shows USB and Ethernet. It does have both of these on here. I don't know if currently there's anything that's in development to utilize those ports, whether it's like a USB, I don't know, a USB dongle if you want to save your own data, or I don't know what you would transfer over Ethernet using this. Something to keep in mind that's interesting to see. So the Macaron's $100, right? Has 3 years of connectivity included using Helium IoT. AutoPi, $300, but only has 1 year of connectivity included. So keep that in mind when you're planning on buying this. I don't know how much it's going to cost to renew this after that year is up. Hopefully we'll find out sometime soon, or if you do know, leave that in the comments below. This was something that's kind of cool to see. Natix. Natix is another, I don't know if it's a crypto project because they're not using crypto tokens or cryptocurrencies as the rewards. I think right now it's just points, but eventually you'll be able to buy those, or you'll be able to buy things. In the app, if you go to Marketplace, go down to, let's see, Depin, all the way at the bottom, very bottom of the Marketplace, you'll see Natix Network and Drive, a dash cam app that rewards users for exploring new places and mapping the world. Users earn points by allowing their phone cameras and Natix AI technology to map the world and create a decentralized geospatial data economy. Dimo users will get 10,000 points by registering. That's pretty cool. So I actually heard about this from a fellow YouTuber, DJ Minds. If you haven't checked out his channel, What Are You Doing With Your Life? Go check that out. So it looks like it's an app that uses your phone's camera, you know, put on the dash, and it records as you're driving, and you earn points for that. Sounds like Hive Mapper to me. I think we all said when Hive Mapper came out, this could have been a dedicated app. I understand the statement Hive Mapper gave that they wanted it to be a dedicated device so they have the consistency and the clarity and all of those things. Good. Hive Mapper is cool for itself. Compared to Dimo, it's a lot of work. It has gotten better over the years, but I'm wondering how this is going to be. I'm going to check that out pretty soon, so make sure you check back to see if that video's out eventually. Discover a world of apps that run on Dimo. Dimo exists to improve how we use technology to move about the world. We believe if technology is open source and user-owned, people save money and get access to better apps and services. Would I recommend Dimo? If you're going to buy it, get the AutoPi, in my opinion. The Macaron is kind of cool, and I do like that it has 3 years of service included, but the rewards that you're going to get in the meantime are very reduced in comparison to the AutoPi. I mean, they'll both, I guess, pay themselves off in the same amount of time, if you look at it that way. Now, if you don't have a Dimo device, and you don't have a Tesla to download the app, I do have a promo code that'll save you, I think 10% or something like that. It'll save you a little bit of money. I'll leave that in the link down below. It's code's Alex the Geek. If you're interested in buying one of these, it's a cool project that is very set it and forget it. So if you were going to invest in hardware over investing in like buying the token direct, this would be a cool way to do it. Also, I'll leave an app code. So if you do already have the Dimo, or you bought the Dimo already and you're going to use the app, obviously, to set it up and do all the things in the marketplace and earn your tokens and link your wallet and all that fun stuff, I have an app code that I think gets you 50 Dimo and gets me 50 Dimo, like as a referral on the app side. So I got a code to save you a little bit of money, and I got a code that you can link in the app and get yourself a little bit of free Dimo and send some my way. Take care of you, boy. If you made it this far in the video and you learned something today, hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. If this is the kind of content that you want to see, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video, and let me know if you'd like to see a video on that Natix app and coin and token and using it and all that stuff. I think I might check that out. Let me know if that's something you want to see. And of course, thanks for watching.